Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see some of the terms in the machine learning. The first thing is once you have given the data set with a classification task, we try to see if it is a binary classification, there is an overlap. Examples: Titanic, Visa, loan prediction dataset. There is a overlap. How will you separate in terms? How will you do the feature engineering such a way that as a human we need to segregate and say this belongs to the class 0 and that belongs to the class 1. If you are able to do that one, the machine learning job, it will be very easy. How will you conduct the statistical test for the correlation to the input to an outcome variable in case of a classification and in case of a regression? Because these two types is a most majority we try to see in the machine learning. And what is the use of the correlation coefficient? We try to show it in the heat map, and what will you get out of it, and how will you get more accuracy, and how will you improve a confusion matrix which is nothing but the precision versus recall. Not only learning the things, during the process of learning you are getting the concepts, but when to use what is the most important factor. Because data science, we are moving the applications, how we try to use all these tools, concepts in the practical world. Without knowing that, we will be feel I know much but I didn't solve the problem. It is nothing but the overwhelming. I don't know anything, it is a syndrome, and I know everything but what to apply when, it is also another a syndrome, that is nothing but the overwhelm. And we try to see some of them which comes into that one. Convert the categorical into the numerical values. One hot encoding is there, label encoding is there. When and where we try to use the application is the matter. Here we are using the model in order to solve the customer or real-time problems, where the application plays a significant, where we try to say it's application engineering. And handling the missing values, we try to say mean, mode, median, bfill, ffill, pad, KNN Imputer, when and where. That is very precisely, or we try to do some experiment and come back to it. That's where the application matter. Dealing with outlier, fill with median, Q1, Q3 or Q1 minus 1.5 times of IQ1 or Q3 into 1 plus 1.5 times of IQ1, when and where we try to use it. Data distribution transformation, log transformation, square root 1 by x, box cox, when and where it is again coming into the application matters. Data scaling methods, min-max scalar, standard scalar. Which one do we need to apply is also the application matter. What is the essence you want to conclude in this one? Not only learning the data science, you must understand where do I need to use the given method. Otherwise, you are just collecting the concepts, but when the time comes, you will start shivering where to apply which method. Everyone looks like a pleasing, but you will be feel overwhelmed and stumbled. You cannot go further. And a person who got more accuracy and you didn't get an accuracy, you feel why he got and why I didn't get. These kind of questions occurs more rapidly because the right method you didn't apply on a given data set. It's the context. it is the context and application. So with this one I try to end. I am also learning the data science where application is the matter made. You need to ask the questions, where do I need to use, why the given method doesn't give the accuracy, or the given matrix it doesn't satisfy, such kind of questions and overall experience you need to document it. That's where the things will start falling into your bucket. That's where things working very well in our favor. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment. This is just I'm sharing my thoughts with you, and there is no more an explanation of any concept. This is the method, the procedure, how you need to continue the journey. This is only I explained in this video, and we try to meet in the next video. Thank you very much.